Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today guys, we bought this aluminum cargo carrier at Harbor Freight. It was $99 and they wouldn't give me a discount because they said that it was already cheap enough or something, because I tried to use like the 20% discount. But it's an aluminum cargo carrier. The brand is Haulmaster. We're gonna unbox it, put it together, and then I'm going to show you what the final product looks like.
Now we are going to cut to another day because it's raining. See you guys then.
So after putting it together, it had a little handful of nuts and bolts. It came with a little bag full of little nuts and bolts, and they went all the way around right here to put the little rails together. And then it came with 8 bigger nuts and bolts, and those held the part that goes onto the hitch. So there's 4, 2 right here, 2 right here, that's 4 of them, and then the 4 corners had the bigger, longer bolts. But it only took about 20 minutes to put together. It wasn't hard. The actual cargo carrier is 100% aluminum, so it was really light. The only heavy part of the whole trailer is the part that is the hitch. This part weighs way more than the entire cargo trailer put together. But this part is made out of steel, and it came with the little clip. This is all aluminum. It has 2 little reflectors on the back so that people will see it when it's on your car or truck. And it tells you right here that it's an aluminum cargo carrier with a 500-pound capacity. The brand is called Haulmaster, and I bought this at Harbor Freight for $99. Next, I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds how to install it on your truck. So when you finally finish assembling the cargo carrier, the only thing you have to do is slide it into your Class C hitch receiver. You just slide it in, and then you're going to put in the little bolt that it came with. You just slide this through and clip it on. I'm not going to put it on because you probably can't really see underneath the truck, but this is the little clip that came with it, and this is your aluminum cargo carrier that can hold 500 pounds. So now you would be able to put in like an extra gas tank. You can put in like a cooler for your pops. You can put in a couple of like chairs. So whatever you possibly could want to put in here, as long as it's 500 pounds, now you have the capacity. So this is the completed product. This is what it looks like. And this is once again the 100% aluminum cargo carrier with a 500-pound capacity from Harbor Freight, and the brand is called Haulmaster. This is the Drop Shop Garage,
And Jesse Panda 10 filming.
Jesse Panda 10 filming. And I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys, it was instructional for you. I mean, we did it all from unboxing it to putting it together to this is the final product.
Yep.
I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.